gotta go. I'm back home. I do have cheer practice tomorrow. I can't wait till swimming comes back, y'all. Like, I love swimming. I just love being physically active. I don't like being still all the time. They say they don't say that for no reason, because you will start feeling the cracks and aches and pains, and every time you move your knee or you bend down, squat, you start experiencing weird occurrences. Use it or lose it. Saying it for a reason. Yeah, I'm about to just tie my hair and bathe so I can get in my bed and start working. Because I got essays to write, y'all. Work to catch up on. And I got videos to edit. This one right now needs to be edited ASAP. Another routine. We got the blocks fully down and out. I got this school shirt. I got these baggy jeans with my Braid shoes. So tomorrow is February 14th, Valentine's Day. And guess what I'm doing, y'all? I am doing what you would do in middle school and elementary school, maybe, which is making little treats for classmates. So my mom bought me this cute little set, bubblegum tube, and a sucker. I'm giving them each a sucker because I ain't Miss Moneybags over here, so we're not giving everybody one. I'm making some to give out to my friends and associates. Yeah. By the way, I just got home not too long ago from swim practice. I'm not as sore as I was yesterday. I feel like I'm breaking my wind doing it. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I just got back home. I had so much fun. Tonight was senior night for cheer and for basketball, so it was like a big celebration because this is like, our last year playing these sports in high school. I'm gonna put bad Harbor. I'm gonna put clips in the video for y'all to see, but all these little like crowns with our last name on it with really cute little heart and rhinestones. I tried to put them on and keep them on earlier. And then they also, basketball team got us flowers for all the seniors, which is very kind, very nice. You can see the little bow and the wrapping around the stem. Little flowers with the y'all can see the roses in there too. It was very nice. Teammates made us goodie bags, which was super kind of them. And then we made each other posters. I made my teammates Paola. I made her poster. I put that up on the screen. Now let me show y'all what my teammate Karime made me. This is very funny. I find it very hilarious. One thing, she spelled my name wrong. And there's a space. But I'm still grateful. I'm very grateful for the poster. I just wanted to give y'all a heads up. This is my poster. It says QueenZiare. And it has a little golden hoop with the leaves. And it says Happy Senior Night. And the night pops out. This is hilarious. No, this is actually funny. Because she texted me, right? She was like, send me a picture of you. I was like, do you want one like right now, like a new one, or can it be an older one? She said it doesn't matter. So I sent her a picture. Little did I know, she actually print me out. Okay, she print me out, cut me out. She even, can y'all see, she cut my earring out too. This is hilarious. She cut my earring out. She cut a little bit of my face off, but it's okay. And put me on the poster. Pretty dope. But yeah, tonight tonight was my last day cheering because I've been on the swim team since 10th grade. So only reason I didn't do it in 9th was because of COVID. But I have to keep that, I want colleges to see that I was dedicated to one thing and I stuck with it for a long time, and swimming just happens to be the thing I've been doing for the past 2 years. So I can't just stop like and dip for another sport. So although cheer has been really fun and the uniforms have been cute and the dances and cheers have been really cute, it's gonna be time for me to return this. They should really let us keep it, but we gotta return it. I gotta return this. Swimming practice is tomorrow. Actually, swimming started on Monday. Monday and Tuesday was cheer practice, and Wednesday was our big performance, and it was senior night, and I didn't want to miss that. So I just decided to skip swimming until tomorrow. Yeah, it was my last day cheering. I was really happy. I was excited. I had a lot of fun. It was a really good time, and I'm gonna miss being on the cheer team. You know, I wish I could do both sports, but I can't. That's too much. I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim. Overall, today, I give it an 8 out of 10. I didn't get those 2 points because I was stressed out. I did a lot of stuff at the last minute, so I was rushing. Last night, I started praying because I submitted a college essay like 5 minutes before the due date. So I was backed up a lot. I had people in class helping me with the stuff I had to do. Shout out to Ariana, Kevin, and Fiona because, Lord, I was rushing. But everything turned out fine. All that matters at the end of the day is that you made a memory, you had a good time. So now I have this night to look back on and remember and see me in this cute uniform. Yeah, y'all, that's just a quick recap of my night, but that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. If you want to join the family, make sure to subscribe because there are more videos like this coming, more videos on the way. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video.